In the next step, the created personalization database needs to be linked to the print template. We do this in the layout editor. So we go back to print templates, edit and open the layout editor. And up here on the right is the button Edit Personal Data. This is now the place where I can link the previously created personal data database. At the top, data connection is set to database. For the database, I can now select the database I created earlier. Fields, so on the left, these are the fields from the personalization, and on the right in the drop-down menu are the fields from the personal data database that we created. Here we could now do a manual mapping, but since we named the fields correctly, we can leave the mapping set to automatic here. For saving, I would also go ahead and activate it right away so that we prompt the user. There are two options for saving. Automatic, which means that whenever a personalization is completed and added to the cart, a data record is automatically created. Or prompt, which means the customer is asked if they want to create a data record here. So I'll also activate the toolbar search now. We can take a look at it in the front end in a moment. This is the search where I can reload the data records. Basically, let's save everything and take a look at it in the front end now. If I click on refresh here now, we can see the previously activated toolbar search up here. So basically, this is the area where you can later reload the data records later on. Of course, there's nothing in there yet, but let's go ahead and do that. Let's fill this out here. The business card, Test Street, when adding to the cart now we have here, we had previously set it so that the customer should be asked whether they want to order with or without data storage. In this case, of course, we'll do it once with data storage and add the whole thing to the cart. At the moment we do that, it should have created a new personal data record here. We'll open the personalization again and now take a look up here via the tool visits, and now we can see the data record we just created and can load it again.